Hi, this is Chanel from Tips and Tricks HQ, and in this video summary, we'll look at the reasons PayPal funds may be marked as pending in your account. Normally, when you're offering PayPal as your main payment gateway, customers buy your products or services, then PayPal processes the payment and keeps everyone's financial details protected, and finally, your business instantly receives the payment. In some unusual circumstances, a payment may be marked as pending. A pending payment generally occurs when there is an issue with an order placed on your site. By the end of this video tutorial, hopefully you'll be able to work out why pending payments are occurring in your PayPal account. When selling physical items, pending funds are less of an issue. In terms of a membership, if the funds are pending, the customer will not be given member access automatically. If you sell digital items on your site, the customer will also not receive the download link via email if they have a pending payment. If you have noticed pending payments within your PayPal account or have had customer complaints, these payments may not be being approved because you are new to PayPal, you have not sold an item from your site in a long period of time, you have received bad feedback such as multiple chargebacks, or have an unusual selling pattern. If none of these circumstances apply to your site, keep listening as we'll take a look at some other reasons pending payments may be occurring. I have arrived in my PayPal account where I'll go through a few more reasons that pending payments can occur. Ensure that you have verified your PayPal account, not chosen to approve payments manually, and upgraded your account where necessary. Pending payments can occur if your customer has not supplied a valid address where required, paid with an e-check. So in your PayPal you can choose to block e-checks if you choose, or paid with a currency different to your set currency and you do not have the manual convert feature active. So accept payments in the currency I don't hold. You can choose to yes, accept them and then convert them. Although if you choose the ask me whether to accept or refuse each individual payment, you may find a pending payment will be the result. So that concludes this video summary on PayPal pending payments. If you cannot resolve pending payments on your site, it is always best to contact PayPal directly. While pending payments can be frustrating, especially on membership and digital download sites, they play an important role in protecting the seller from scammers.